Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to turn on passive mode in Dank Memer. First of all, go to the server and make sure you have added the Dank Memer bot to the server. And now to turn on passive mode, type this command /settings and select the Dank Memer command, send the command, and here you will get this message, and click on this compact mode drop down, and here scroll down and search for passive. Select passive and click on enable, and here you can see I've successfully turned on passive mode. When you enable this passive mode, no one will be able to rob you, but you can also rob someone, and you cannot interact with other users. So this is how we can easily turn on passive mode in Dank Memer. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.